everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Soipan, and today we are not going to discuss anything that we always do. Today I'm taking you to my kitchen, and I want to show you a very simple and nice recipe that you can do for your breakfast. It takes less than 10 minutes. I'm sure once you do this, you'll enjoy with your family. You can make this on a weekend for your children. And today I'm not alone. I'm not alone. I'm with my good friend who came along. Karibu sana, my friend.
Thank you so much.
Introduce yourself to my people.
Hi there, this is Chef Edgar MUNYINYI. I'm the guest today. I'm going to show you a couple of tricks you can do in your backyard.
Yes.
As you can see, the sun is shining hot. Yeah.
So, today you've told me we are doing a breakfast of 10 minutes.
Yes.
So what is that?
So to start,
I'm very sure even my viewer is very curious. Which breakfast will take 10 minutes?
We are going to make a Florentine sandwich. Florentine simply is eggs cooked with spinach.
Oh my God.
Then we make a sandwich with them.
So before we okay, Florentine sandwich, yes. With what? With
lemongrass tea.
With lemongrass tea.
Yes, yes.
Lemongrass tea. My people, here we are eating healthy. Eating healthy. And without further ado, let's go to our ingredients.
Yeah.
So we have fresh lettuce. I'm sure my videographer will tell you. Tumetoa kwa shamba yangu. Sijanunua. Fresh spinach. Eggs. And eggs determines the number of people you have in your house. So today we only have 2 people here. We have paprika, we have salt, we have black pepper, we have cooking oil, we have mayonnaise, and we have mustard. We also have bread, also determines the number of people that you have in your house. We have the lemongrass, also fresh from my farm. If it's difficult for you to find it, nitafute with my number below there. And we have tea leaves. Now, before I started the video, I had started boiling the water, because of course we are doing lemon tea, lemongrass tea. So let's go to the recipe.
Okay.
Where are we starting?
To start with, we are going to throw in our lemongrass in the boiling water.
In the boiling water?
Yeah.
Okay. Nyinyi nafunza, me I know. Just that I have a chef today.
Yeah, we
all
throw
of it,
in our lemongrass.
Na Edgar.
Yes.
Hii chai tutatosheka. Na vile mimi napenda chai. To be very honest.
We can add more water. Then we are going to boil sugar with our lemongrass.
Oh, so we put sugar there?
Yes.
Oh, we forgot actually to tell you guys, we have sugar.
Yeah, estimate like 3 or 4 tablespoons.
3 or 4 tablespoons.
Yeah.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Depending on how sweet you love your tea.
It's also good to remind our viewers that boiled sugar is good for our health.
Wow.
It has less impurities unlike the added one.
Okay, the way we as Africans, we know you just cook tea and then you serve your guests and you put sugar aside, they serve themselves.
Yes.
So yes. you told it's better to boil your tea with sugar.
Yes.
Point noted. Next.
So I want you to take to give me the oil.
The oil? Huh?
Yeah. You will take the eggs. Take 2.
Take two eggs.
2 eggs. Whisk in a bowl.
Okay.
In the meantime, you can give me 1 whole spinach.
1 whole spinach.
Yeah. So I'm going to remove the stem.
It's clean.
Yeah, it's clean.
So I'm beating the eggs. 2.
Yeah. Then I throw in the oil.
So what have you put first? The oil.
Some
and
oil.
Then okay.
Yeah. So in our egg, whisk with the salt and some pepper, black pepper.
Some salt. And black pepper.
Yeah. So black pepper is good for those guys with high BP. It helps to lower your blood pressure.
Oh my God, this is awesome.
Yeah, and also it has a very nice flavor. Yes.
Yeah, I can feel it.
So as you can see, our spinach is soft. So we can add in our eggs.
So I add in the eggs, huh?
So here we are going to make our Florentine
Sandwich.
omelette.
Omelette, okay,
Yes, omelette with spinach. So the other side, you can take maybe 2 or 3 slices. Apply some mayo and mustard.
I think we need both one side each.
Just one side.
So I start with mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah, maybe the other slice you can do mustard.
The other slice I can do mustard. You spread evenly, kabisa.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you'll cut one piece of lettuce.
Okay.
Lay inside as we wait for our egg to cook.
So this I cut.
Yeah.
A piece.
Yeah, a small piece that will fit on our bread.
There you go.
Yeah, as we wait for the egg.
Are we adding tea leaves here?
Tea leaves should not be boiled. Tea should be brewed.
Oh, I love this. Yeah, it's getting interesting.
If you boil tea leaves, if you boil coffee, you kill the flavor.
Wow.
So once the water is boiling and if we've extracted all the nutrients, all the nice flavors, we are going to add tea leaves the last minute, then we cover for like 2-3 minutes, then we sieve and enjoy.
Wow.
That is what we call brewing.
Ah.
No boiling tea leaves.
So you don't have to go to those big hotels to get brewed tea. You can brew it in your house.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at our omelette.
Oh, this is awesome.
Florentine omelette.
Oh.
Yeah, so we are going to cut this. Maybe you'll have made an extra toast for our cameraman. I can see he's salivating.
He's so eager to eat it.
I tell you.
What time is it? It's not time for breakfast.
So this is ready. We don't want to overcook the egg. We keep it aside. So the last bit, I'll just toast here our sandwich on our griddle. If you don't have a griddle at home, you can use a pan or a sandwich maker.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you need this?
Yeah. That name it. So I'll need the other part.
There you go.
So we are going to toast this till it's brown.
Oh, this is awesome. I love it. It's so simple.
Very simple. It takes less than 10 minutes. So we can add in our tea. Estimate maybe like a teaspoon.
A teaspoon. Let me just estimate since I didn't carry my teaspoon from the house.
Wow, look at that.
So we switch off.
Switch off.
Here's our foil. We cover. No, you can just use any lid here.
Yeah, you can use a plate.
Oh my God. Just looks yummy.
Very simple recipes, also healthy. There's some leafy spinach inside. We have lettuce also. This is a must try.
Wow.
Yeah, so for presentation, you'll help me with a knife. And also maybe 2 plates. We can clear maybe the lettuce there. Hold for me, please. So we are going to cut into 2.
Amazing.
We do our nice presentation.
I can feel even the aroma.
Yeah. Florentine sandwich.
Our Florentine sandwich is ready. And the next thing, now we can uncover our tea and sieve it.
Yes, yes.
Oh.
And enjoy.
And enjoy.
Yeah.
You who is at home, try this recipe. Take a video, take a photo, send it to me on my DM, Soipan Martha, and maybe you shall be one of my guests tomorrow in your house with Chef Edgar, and you can tell us what you want Chef Edgar to teach you, and we'll come right at your doorstep and teach you in your house. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'm waiting for your feedback. I'm waiting to see what you have done and send it to my DM. Thank you. That's all for today. Goodbye. It's time for us to enjoy our breakfast. But before then, let's Chef tell us what he does and where we can find him, or how we can reach him. Please, Edgar, go ahead.
So as we wind up our show, I hope you have learned something or two. You can get me on Facebook, Edgar MUNYINYI, on Instagram, Chef Edgar MUNYINYI. We have our offices along Limuru Road. We do lots of catering, lots of cooking classes. We will come to your doorstep and show you all these nice recipes at a small fee, of course. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.
The aroma alone. Oh my God, I love this. Oh, so relaxing. Bye. Or you come. Kujeni. Oh my God.
Yeah, you can taste the sandwich. I can also have maybe a piece. Yeah.
Edgar, this is the best.
Thank you, thank you.
Taking bread alone in the house without something like this, no, and it's also very heavy. You don't need to take something else, especially those people who get to the office at 8 and leave by 5. Take this, make it, carry it, and enjoy.
Wow, nice.
Bye.
The mayonnaise, the mustard.
Allow me today to enjoy this recipe. Tomorrow mtakuja.